just bought this frame from Michael's so that I could put my festival wristbands in there, and I think that'll fit. I don't know why I thought it would be smaller than this. I guess I just didn't really read the dimensions, but yeah, I'm gonna try to fit all those in here. I have 2. So when I guess it just kind of makes me want to go to more festivals now so I can fill them up. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but honestly, I love seeing all my wristbands put on display like this, and there's still room for more, so yeah, I'm really happy and can't wait to add more to the collection. I didn't know where else to put it, so I stuck it on top of my mirror. Well, low-key, it looks kind of good up there. I finally have my soldering tools. Yeah, and I took out my keyboard and we're basically gonna fucking do it. We're finally gonna solder my keyboard. If I sound like I'm on one, it's because I am. I had like the strongest pina colada at, we went to Cutwaters in San Diego. That shit was so strong, and I'm kind of on another one right now. I'm sobered up, but yeah, I'm just, drinking always gets me like hyper for some reason. I just opened my box. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I hope I'm doing it right. Alright, I think I turned it on. I turned it on. What do you mean I think? I did turn it on. It's to 325 degrees Celsius. I've been watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to solder, or how the fuck you say it. And that's what it says. It's best for beginners. So that's what I'll leave it as. I know this is my iron thingy majig. Okay, so I did it. I did one, and let me tell you guys, it was pretty fucking scary. I was not expecting that, but I did it. So I'm gonna do 2 more, and then I'm gonna head to bed. I was too lazy again to film everything, but I just finished soldering my entire keyboard. She's done, she works, I tested out, it's amazing. Part-time mom. Look at Michael got me. He got me a beatbox.
You guys know how a robot works here? Yeah, just whatever the lights off. We're still finished right now.
No way.
So cute. Oh, got a little sticker. So cute.
Not so bad. My hair was kind of like being annoying earlier, but it's okay now. So today's makeup for the photo shoot is kind of toned down and simple. So yeah, low-key, because I'm sick, I'm tired and I'm not kind of like whatever about it. So hopefully we'll not be there long, so I can just come straight home and like go back to sleep, because I don't feel good at all.
Looks like. She likes to talk.
I'm so over being sick. I've been sick for like a week now, and now I have to drive up to LA.
No, actually, I'm gonna get this with an egg though.
To it, then basically at that point you're on Golden Road, and it was so immersive. It was truly wild.
You guys go up with the ladder. Hello. Yep. You take a picture.
So coffee shops, beaches, places.
Yeah, me too. I'm just, it's either. Okay.